Hey, sexy babes, what's up? It's really low. Here we go again, starting all over. Seems really dark. Oh, I guess it's because I'm on the floor instead of up in my chair or up on the yoga ball. I love it. It's pink, my favorite color. I'm on my yoga mat. It's also pink. Oh, I'm smoking Holy Grail tonight, so it's kind of smooth. I have to try a little harder. I'm sad about losing the 26 videos, but the one trying my new mini bong for the first time. I can't redo that because it will be a lie. It's not going to be the first time I tried it. I wish it was pink, but it's still cute. Dabware. Yeah, I thought it would be smooth compared to that big bad bitch. Nah, I don't know, it seemed almost worse. Although, I can't remember how many times I've used that big bong. Maybe only once, maybe twice, but I know I did it when I was drinking last weekend or whenever. My Shein order shipped this morning, and then got another email this afternoon that FedEx has it. It's supposed to arrive by tomorrow afternoon. I have a bunch of packages that open 4 or 5 in the bedroom. I guess Christmas gifts and stuff for my family. But I think I'm gonna do the Shein package opening separately because it's gonna be a Shein order, you know. I'm so excited about the Shein order. Although I forget what I got. I know some Christmas stuff and some lingerie or something for some spicy Instagram pics. I think I got new shoes too. I usually place orders at nighttime and it takes edit over something and then I place these orders and I can't really remember what I bought. My memory just sucks anyways because there's always so much on my mind at any given moment that I'm never fully focused on any one thing or what I'm doing. I have to write down if I take medication because did I just take those pills? I know I meant to take them and they're sitting right here, but did I take them? You know, focus, man. I think too much. I'm just thinking. Mm. Ooh, I'm high as fuck. Whew. I did smoke the bong tonight though, but just like one small hit. I couldn't even finish it. It's really not enjoyable for me. But yeah. And then I was like, it didn't even get me high, but then I don't know, after some time I realized, oh, okay, that eventually that creeped up and I do feel high. So now with this joint, I'm gonna watch a movie. I'm gonna put on A Bad Mom's Christmas, but I think I might have seen it, I'm just not sure. Or I might watch Killer Babes or something like that, or Jack in Time. Did you see any of these movies? If you did, let me know. How were they? Did you like them? Recommend a movie for me. A Christmas movie would be good. I love Christmas movies. Or end of the world type movies. That 65 movie was really good. I watched it last night. I really, really liked it. Yeah. Alright, I hope you guys liked this video. Love you guys.